Hi, my name's John. Welcome to another Sunday night nightcap. Tonight's nightcap, I get a bit more done on the lubricator for my marine steam engine, which I'm hoping to take with Steam Rally in 2 or 3 weeks' time. Talking about steam rallies, as you're watching this, I'm sitting in a beer tent probably at Onslow Park in Shrewsbury. The rally is also on all day tomorrow, so if you're anywhere near Shrewsbury or Onslow Park, it really is well worth coming. It's a fantastic rally. You'll find me and Deborah somewhere near the Sentinel Owners Club stand. It will be great to meet you and shake your hand. The Wednesday catch-up videos are going quite well. If you'd like us to cover any sort of engineering subject that I've got the machinery and the knowledge to do, just put a comment in the comment box and I'm sure I'll be able to do something to accommodate you. I managed to find a little bit more time to get some more done on this engine, and all you need to do now is connect that rod onto that pump actuating lever. I'm going to machine a piece of stainless, I think, with a 4mm stub on that will go through there. There'll be a couple of check nuts on there, piece of that, and there'll just be a plain hole goes through there with a little grub screw in to lock onto the bar once it's at the correct length. So the first thing to do is machine the end of that down to be a good fit in there, which is 4mm, and then put some threads on the end of it. The last job I did on here was brass, so I've obviously cleaned the lathe down. It's nice and clean, so straight away I'm going to get some brass to do tomorrow, I would imagine. That's what normally happens. Once you clean the lathe, you get a bit of brass to machine. Power feed on this. So we need this down to 4mm with some threads on. A little measure, see exactly what we're going to be wanting here. Probably 10mm will be enough. Then I can always shorten it. I like using collet chuck for this sort of work. It means I can get the camera in closer. You can also take something out of a collet and put it back in, and it will run reasonably true again. In fact, it'll run dead true. I need to put lock nuts on here. I'm going to give it a little bit more length, just a little bit more. Easy to do now. This tip's seen better days as well. Speed things up a little bit. Running 1,000 RPM now. We're going to have to change the tip, or at least turn it round. I normally use compressor set to blow this off, but the compressor's empty and I don't want to fire the compressor up because it's getting fairly late at night in here. A squirt of brake clean will have to do. These tips are imported from Bangor. Actually, I bought some tools off them quite a while ago, and I got a lot of tips. I'm getting short on them now. I have to get some more. They've been very good. The only trouble is I only use 2 corners, so I've got boxes of tips with the 2 corners only used. Right, that's a lot better. Nice new sharp tip. So much better. It's cutting with a nice new tip. Had the camera been pointing the job, you could have seen how much better it was cutting. Right, we want 4mm. We've got 4.5, 4.6 actually. Now I'm sure you can see how nicely it is cutting. Right, that's just the fanny's under 4mm. The vernier says 4. A 4mm die here of dubious quality, but it's only 4mm die I've got, so it's going to have to do. It doesn't quite fit in the back of there. That's an old most taper tool I use for pushing die holders and things on. And then this drill chuck to do exactly the same job, just to keep it nice and square to the job. Just going to tap this by hand. Obviously I'm not going to start firing the lathe up now. Tap something as little as that, or fade something as little as that. Messy bastard, John. I've got a syringe somewhere which is much better for dispensing the snot with than that. Well, that's just snapped the end off the fucking thing. That's not very good, John. You clumsy twat. Not very good at all. Right, we're ready to try it again. I've actually machined that down to 3.8, which is just another 4mm, just to get the die a fighting chance. Hopefully this time we'll get a better result. Same again, just using that drill chuck to keep the top, keep the die running nice and true. So now hopefully we can get this out of here without damaging it. Right, we've got some 4mm threads on there. I don't like pissy little things like this. Right, okay, so we've got some 4mm thread. Enough room to get a couple of check nits on, that should be fine. Just going to put a little chamfer on that nasty sharp edge there. Right, so that's where it's going to be going. Obviously the nut on the outside, and I need to drill a hole in here before I cut it off, so I've got something to grip it by. So if I measure that face there to the centre of that rod, that should be, in fact that will be, what I need to drill the hole at. We're going to do this by the eyeball method, and I eyeball it to be about there, 12mm. Use the same collet that we had in the lathe. Very versatile, these things, you can move them round machine to machine. These collet blocks are really good as well. I've got a square one and a hexy one. So the first thing you need to do is find the centre of the piece of bar and then drill a hole 12mm from that end. I've tried to set the shot up so you can see the screen as well as I perform this. Slow things down a bit and you need to go that fast. Much faster than that. Right, so bring that down until it's in the centre of the bar, more or less. Feed this in until the wiggler stops moving. So it's become one there, and it'll kick off there. When it does that, zero the y-axis. And we'll take it round to the other side. Oh, yeah. Same again. Bring it in till it stops moving, becomes one. Watch carefully. Right, just kicked off there. We'll do it again. Becomes one there, just kicks off. So then we'll need a half the y-axis. Simply do that, it gives us half. So now what I've got to do is wind this out until that says zero, and then we're right in the centre of the bar. Which is there. We can lock our axis off. Now we need to find the end of the bar. We'll bring that down. A bit more, it's going to touch the end of it. Right. Bring it along, it stops moving. Kicks off. Okay. So we zero the x-axis there. That pin's 4mm thick. So if we go 2mm, we're now exactly in the centre and right on the corner of the bar. We'll zero again, instead of having to add up, and we'll just go along 12mm. Bastard. And we haven't left enough bar sticking out to do the job, have we? John, man. Right, not to worry. We've still got our centre picked up. We just need to do the length again. Simple mistake. I'm allowed to make simple mistakes, I suppose. Some people think I'm not, but I am. Right, we'll do it all again. Bring it along. We'll knock it off first so you can see it wiggling about. Bring it along. Stops moving, kicks off, zero. So we've got 2mm for the pin, plus 12, kicks out to 14mm. Right, so now the drill in there will be dead centre and 14mm from that end. Right, centre drill first, just to make things easy, nice and fast. I'm going to use a 4.1mm drill, just so I've got a little bit of clearance. It needs to be able to slide so I can adjust it. A little bit of the green stuff. Nice and gentle to break through. Don't know what grade of stainless this is. The sort of stainless you get given when you find in a skip. It'll certainly do what I wanted to do for this particular job. Seem to make hard work of that. I know I shouldn't do that because it's got nasty rags on it, but I can't help it. Right, it's been getting warm that. Possibly the drill wants sharpening. Now's a good time to give you a quick look at a drill sharpener that I actually bought. I had to buy this one. Nobody that I do reviews for did one in this country, so I actually had to pay proper money to get it. And I'm really impressed with it. I'll just set this up and I'll show you how simple it is to sharpen a drill with it. And split point it. Shouldn't need much. A little bit more than that. This is the little jig for setting the drill up. Right, I hope you can see that. The camera will focus, might not make focus, but that really has put an excellent edge on that drill. I'm just going to try it again just to show you how good it actually is. I will do a review on this tool eventually. You've had a little sort of sneak preview of it. Right, this is the same drill, same speed, same material. I'm not even going to put a centre drill mark in, so it'll start straight away. It should do. Right, that is literally like a knife through butter. That is much better, much more controllable. Very happy with that. The set of drills will go from 1 to 10 by 0.1. What we're using for that sort of work that don't get used for drilling checker plate and horrible stuff like that. They really are good drills. That's the second one I've had to resharpen, and it's done quite a bit of work. They were I think £110, but there's 100 drills there. They're only £1 each, so it's not out the road. Once again, it's just time to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, you just click the little subscribe button in one of them corners. It doesn't cost you anything, and it really does help me, because we're now teetering on to 99,000 subscribers, which is not really bad for a mechanic that pisses about. Anyway, thanks for watching.